Good day and welcome to the Phono Cave and welcome to another episode of Tino's Toys. Well, you're looking at the back or the bottom of a box and sorry that I'm whining a bit here. Just been walking the stairs to get this thing. Well, let's turn it over and get a look at it. Don't know if it registers like that. I think it kind of does. It's the fror Super 4 fror Super 4. Well, I never heard of the brand fror. I looking around the box to see some sort of date anywhere, and there isn't. No. Well, I think it's somewhere from, well, somewhere around 1974 or 75. Well, let's have a look inside. Because yes, it's relatively complete. Just sit there. Well, that's rather fixed in there. Thank you. Come out, yeah. Well, if you look at it, it's a little lathe with a real miniature chuck on it, and you would put a piece of wood in between those two things, and you would turn that wood in all kinds of wonderful shapes. The mechanism would be driven by this drill. You would put this drill inside of here, and it would power the chuck of the lathe, and of course the material that you needed to form. It runs on 6 1.5 volt batteries, very thick ones. And yeah, I think this is a very weird toy. It's something today that something that wouldn't be it wouldn't be allowed today. Because yeah, it's not an undangerous toy, you know. Because we're talking about drills, we're talking about using sharp chisels, we're using point, we're using, because there's also a saw part on it. As you can see on the box, by the way, there's a saw on it, so children can cut their fingers, children can drill their fingers, or boys can drill into their sisters accidentally, and all of those types of things would not be allowed today. A toy like this wouldn't come to fruition. And you know, that's why I like these type of toys. So remember the fror Super 4. And it's probably German, although that fror sounds awfully Scandinavian. But you know, Germany also uses umlauts a lot. So, but I thought that was a nice thing to show, and I think it's a rather rare thing as well, because I looked it up on the web, and the only thing I found was a deleted eBay site. So I don't know what it's worth. I don't know how complete it is and what I'm missing. I basically know nothing because there's only that photo from that deleted eBay uh, thing, and maybe it's even this very box. Who knows? But I'm happy with that. That's it for Tino's Toys. And well, like, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.